Ever felt lost in Excel, trying to match data from one sheet to another? Well, meet your new best friend, VLOOKUP. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use VLOOKUP in Excel, step by step, with a real example. So you can stop wasting time and start working smarter. Let's say we've got this list of employee codes, and over here, a designation list. We want Excel to automatically pull in the designation for each code. That's where VLOOKUP shines. Click the cell where you want the result. Now type Acher VLOOKUP, open bracket. Then click the designation code cell. Add a comma. Then select the entire table that holds the data. Next, we tell Excel which column to pull data from. In our case, designation are in column 3. So we type 3, then another comma. Now choose option false for an exact match. And that's it. Close the bracket, write parenthesis, and hit enter. And there you go. There's your designation. Now just drag the formula down, and Excel fills in the rest. Getting an error like number NA? Double-check if the employee code exists in the table, and make sure there aren't any extra spaces hiding around. If this helped you out, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to TechArc for more tech tips and Excel tutorials.